Welcome to the channel. Have you ever wondered whether a giant crater on Earth was formed by a fiery volcanic eruption or a massive meteorite impact? In this channel, we explore the fascinating differences between impact craters and volcanic craters, how they form, how to identify them, and what secrets they reveal about Earth's violent past.
Impact crater. An impact crater, also known as meteorite crater, is a bowl-shaped depression on a planet or moon's surface formed by the hypervelocity collision of an asteroid, comet, or meteoroid. After impacting of asteroid, immense energy excavates the ground, vaporizes rock, and creates shock waves, leaving a circular hole with raised rims and often complex features. Volcanic crater. A volcanic crater is a roughly circular, bowl-shaped depression in the ground, typically located at the summit or flank of a volcano. Volcanic crater formed by explosive eruptions or collapsing vents. It acts as the primary opening through which magma, gases, and ash are ejected from underground chambers. Differences between impact craters and volcanic eruptions. Feature. Cause. Impact craters, formed by collision of meteorites, asteroids, or comets. Volcanic eruptions/volcanic craters, formed by eruption of magma, gas, and ash from Earth's interior. Energy source. External, extraterrestrial impact. Internal, Earth's internal heat and magma pressure. Speed of formation. Instantaneous, seconds to minutes. Gradual or episodic, hours to thousands of years. Shape. Circular with raised rims, often symmetrical. Usually circular or irregular, may have cones and vents. Central feature. Central uplift or peak in large craters. Crater or caldera connected to magma chamber. Rock evidence. Shocked quartz, impact melt, breccia. Lava flows, volcanic ash, pumice, basalt. Temperature effect. Extremely high due to impact energy. High temperature from molten magma. Associated landforms. Ejecta blanket, rays, fractured bedrock. Lava fields, volcanic cones, ash layers. Occurrence pattern. Rare and randomly distributed. Common along plate boundaries and hotspots. Examples of impact and volcanic crater in India. Volcanic crater. Barren Island, Andaman. Deccan Trops vents. Impact crater. Lonar crater, Maharashtra. Ramgarh crater, Rajasthan. See here the photo images of impact crater and volcanic crater. First one is impact crater, and second one is volcanic crater. Key difference. Volcanic craters are created by Earth's internal forces. Impact craters are created by objects from space.